6 most stressful niches for beginners. You are a YouTube beginners, you work 9 to 5, work online, or you're just short on time, but still you want to start a YouTube channel. Then listen, some niches will waste your time. They will drain your energy and cost you a lot of money before you even see results. I've seen a lot of beginners, they jump in, they think they could make it work, only to burn out in just a few weeks of starting a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 stressful niche that as a beginner you should never go for, and why they are so hard and how to avoid them so you can grow without burning out. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkechi and I hope your day is going on well. Here is what a lot of people will tell you. Pick one trending niche and post, but that's a very dangerous advice for busy beginners. Some niches need constant update, expensive equipment, or high value skills. Pick the wrong niche and you'll be frustrated, overworked, and your video might never get even to the right audience. And number one is gaming channel. Gaming might look fun, but here's the reality. You need expensive computer or console, hours of playing, and long editing session. Most busy beginners burn out really fast. If you think, oh, gaming is the only thing I'm good at, don't quit yet. Just pick a hyper niche like cozy games for 30 minutes breaks. That way, you will avoid the competition and still serve an audience. And number two is tech gadgets and reviews. Reviewing the latest phones, cameras, and all of those gadgets, they sound cool. But here's the twist. You need to buy these gadgets. You need to research every single feature and make professional videos. For beginners on a budget, this is very time consuming. It is not budget friendly. But if you must do this, focus on budget friendly tools that you already have, like your phone, your small microphone. And niche number three, fitness and transformation channel. You have to exercise a lot, track your results, and post consistently. If you miss a day, your story falls apart. This pressure can be very exhausting. The best thing for beginners to focus on is maybe like a short workout tips or fitness hacks rather than transformation. And niche number four is vlogging and lifestyle content. Filming every day, being entertaining, and sharing your personal life can be stressful. It can feel overwhelming and uncomfortable most time, and even demand a full-time attention. You don't just need time, you need your energy, your creativity every single day. And if you're a Nigerian, you can see that already, and you have issue with power supply, that can be a make or break for your workflow. If you really want to make a lifestyle content, my advice for you is to keep it simple. Post unscripted, unedited videos. People like to see that side of you that you think is cringe. Make sure your content is real and relatable. To prove to you that this actually work, there were times I would go on live stream, be in my kitchen making a live stream video with just my casual dressing and all of that. And for the first time ever, I had over 1.2 views on my live video. That's something that has never happened before. This is to tell you that people like relatable content. If you must make a vlog lifestyle content, make sure to keep it real, unscripted, and simple. Niche number five, financing and investing channel. This is talking about money. The truth is, talking about money usually sounds very, very profitable, but the mistaken information can mislead viewers, especially if you're not living up to what you're making video about. This means you have to research constantly and keep up with the market trend. Many beginners find this very stressful and risky. When I was starting up on YouTube, I tried that on a different channel and it flopped. And lastly but not the least, niche number six, news trend and commentary. Trends usually changes fast and the video become irrelevant quickly. Plus, if you're a 9 to 5, if a trend was for 2 days ago and you're making the video today, you already know you're not going to get a lot of views because it requires you to post 24/7 of what the current news and current trend is all about. Plus, in 2026, AI posts 24/7 now. So, competing as human is almost impossible. A safer choice for you is for you to focus on explaining trend in your own niche instead of chasing general news. So here's the key takeaway. If you're busy, make sure to pick a niche that matches your time, your skill, and your energy. Start with something you can do consistently without stress, without burnout. Avoid niche that demand constant updates, expensive tools, or high risk. Remember, small steady growth beats burnout every single time. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick the perfect niche for your schedule, the one that will be easy for you to manage and actually grow your YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell, because choosing the right niche can save you months of wasted effort if you're like me that started off on the wrong niche. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you.